is not quite to I-75 yet.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Morrow County, Knox County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sparta, or near Mount Vernon, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambier, Utica, Cardington, Centerburg, Ashley, Danville, Chesterville, Sparta, Baringo, Fulton, Martinsburg, Gann, North Liberty, and Bladensburg. A severe thunderstorm